What's up, everybody? So I got nominated to do this 3x3 challenge by a Salvadorian boy. Fucking prick. So let's see here. I've watched a couple of these today after he nominated me so I could get a feel for what it really was. And it's I know, it seems like people are doing them differently. Like they're doing 3x3x3. Like they do 3 shout outs, 3 things about themselves that people may or may not know, and then also nominate 3 people to do the challenge. Well, I'm not doing any fucking shout outs. I'll nominate 3 people and I will list 3 things you may or may not know. So, number 1 thing you may or may not know. I want to say, I can't even remember what exactly year it fucking was. Right around 15 years ago, I was in a motorcycle accident. Like I said, I can't remember what year it is, so what year it was, so it's hard to, how many years ago it was. Like I said, I think it's about 15 years ago. I was in a bad motorcycle wreck. I should have not even been riding in the first fucking place. I was drunk. And when I say I was drunk, like I was fucking drunk. I should not have been on that bike. But I was. Left a stoplight trying to turn left to go up a different road, and ended up hitting a curb, fucking myself up really bad. My neck, that's what's wrong with my neck now. A lot of people know that I got neck problems. That's what's wrong with it. Number 2 thing that may or may not know is it's hard for me to come up with shit because I'm an open book. Everybody knows everything about me pretty much. Oh, I have 3 daughters. The oldest just turned 23. So anyways, I have 3 daughters. I am 41 years old. The oldest is 23. The middle daughter is 20. The youngest is 15. Back to the second thing, my birthday is the first day at SCMM, the 24th. Anyways, the third thing. Let's see here. Number 3, third thing. I'll take a page out of Salvadorian's book. I've been riding motorcycles my whole life. Many, many years. I was knee-high to a goat's dick. I did not get my motorcycle endorsement until 2008, 2009. I have not had my motorcycle endorsement for very long. So there you go, 3 things you may or may not know about me. So now the shout-outs. Not the shout-outs, the challenging people to do this. Let's see, my first challenge will go to a new moto vlogger. Just got on the scene. It's very low sub count. And that would be 6 Gear. I'll put all their shit up. So 6th gear, you have been challenged to do this thing that I'm doing right now. Second challenge will go to Mr. Captain Granite. And the reason why I'm challenging you, sir, is because you need to make another video, man. And the third challenge will go to, let's send this one out to Mr. Freerider. He needs to do this challenge. So everybody, three by 3 challenge. 3 challenges out. 3 things about yourselves that people may or may not know. That's it for this one. Hope you all have a great weekend. I always say I hope you all have a great weekend because I record this on Friday, but I don't post it till Sunday. So I hope you guys had a great weekend. And I will catch you on the flip side. Later.